In this video, I'll show you how to add extensions to Google Chrome. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. The first thing we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome on your computer. Then what you're gonna do is click on the three dots that you will see at the top right corner, and then you're gonna select extensions. Now here, you're gonna click on Visit Google Chrome Web Store. Once you're here at the top left, you're gonna see a section for extensions. Go ahead and click right there, and then you're gonna search for the extension that you want. After you select your extension, you're gonna click on it, and then you will click on Add to Chrome. Now here, your computer will ask you for permission. All you have to do is click on Add Extension, and now, as you can see, you will find your new extension at the top of your screen. Hope that helps.